Apple just dropped the thinnest iPhone ever. So thin, it makes your credit card feel insecure. And no, it's not clickbait, it's real. At September 9th event, we got the iPhone 17 lineup. A jaw-dropping iPhone Air, AirPods that can literally translate languages live, and smartwatches that are smarter than your doctor. Now, I know what you must be thinking. Apple event recaps are everywhere. Why should I watch this one? Simple, I don't just read specs of a press release. I'll show you the truth, the bad, the hype, the reality. No fluff, no sugarcoating, just the truth. Okay, let's start with the phone everyone's been talking about, the iPhone Air. Apple is calling it their thinnest iPhone ever. We are talking just 5.6 mm thick, wrapped in titanium, so lightweight you'll forget it's in your pocket until you accidentally sit on it and panic. But it's not just about thinness. Inside, it's rocking the A19 Pro chip, Apple's fastest brain yet, built for pro-level gaming and video editing. Cameras, pro hardware with new computational magic. Though, let's be real, Apple still wants you to think you're a Hollywood level filmmaker every time you shoot your cat. Here's my hot take though. While thin is cool, it's also a gamble. Thinner means smaller batteries, and Apple didn't spend much time bragging about battery life this time. Suspicious? You bet. Now, if the Air feels futuristic flex, the iPhone 17 series is your bread and butter. Standard iPhone 17, 6.3-inch ProMotion display, A19 chip, tougher ceramic shield 2, and selfies that'll actually make your Instagram pop. Pre-orders starts September 12th, shipping starts on the 19th. But where it really gets interesting is the Pro and Pro Max. Bigger batteries, pro-grade internals, and even tighter integration with Apple's AI. If you're the type who edits in a Starbucks while sipping overpriced lattes, this one's for you. Now, AirPods 3. This is where Apple decided to flex in the coolest way possible. We are talking live translation in your ear. Imagine traveling in Paris, someone speaks French, and boom, instant English whisper in your ear. That's some sci-fi level flex. They have added heart rate monitoring, stronger noise cancellation, and longer battery life. Basically, they want your AirPods to be a doctor, translator, and DJ all at once. At $249, not cheap but honestly pretty tempting. Apple Watch Series 11 got new health tricks, sleep scoring, hypertension detection, all starting at $399. Then the Ultra 3, now with satellite messaging and a crazy 42-hour battery, perfect for explorers or just that one friend who keeps getting lost hiking. Even the budget watch SE got a glow up with always on display. Basically, Apple said whether you are broke, boogie, or Bear Grylls, there's a watch for you. Now, software. iOS 26 dropped with a whole new liquid glass design, adaptive power mode for longer battery, and Apple's baby steps into on-device AI, aka Apple Intelligence. It's got translation, visual search, deeper integrations across apps. Cool? Yes. Revolutionary? Not yet. Siri still feels like Siri. So, there it is. Apple's 2025 awe-dropping event in all its glory. The thinnest iPhone ever, AirPods that translate in real time, watches that monitor your health better than you do, and software that's slowly getting smarter. But I wanna know, is this innovation or just iteration? So there it is, Apple's 2025 awe-dropping event. The thinnest iPhone ever, AirPods that translate languages in real time, watches that monitor your health better than you do, and software that's slowly getting smarter. But I wanna know, is this innovation or just iteration? Hit that like if you enjoyed the breakdown, drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you are new, subscribe.